Register a CRA account for the first time. In today's video, you are going to learn how to register a CRA account for first time. So let's get started. First, head to the official CRA website and click Sign in to my CRA account. Then choose a CRA register. From here, once you click CRA register, this is only for people creating a new account. As you can see, here are the instructions on their website. Now, don't click the partner sign unless you already have one. You will need your SIN or social insurance number, your postal code and date of birth. After that, enter a figure from your tax return, usually line 1500 from last year's return to verify your identity. Once submit, CR will mail you a security code within 5 to 10 business days. You will use that to complete your registration. Once verified, you will be able to use your CRA account. You will use that to complete your registration, and once verified, you will have access to your taxes, benefits, CPP, and more. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.